Let's learn the Yakan language. So this is just an introductory kind of overview of what is Yakan. Yakan is an Austronesian language that's spoken in the Philippines. Specifically, it's spoken in the island of Basilan, which is just south of the Zamboanga Peninsula. It is a language that is spoken natively there, and has been even before the arrivals of Europeans and the Chabacanos soon after. And I put an asterisk there because most of these Yakan people, the Yakan ethno-linguistic people, can speak Chabacano, which happens to be a lingua franca in the island. Chabacano, some of them can speak Tausug or Bahasa Sug, as some of them call it, Bahasa Sug, Tausug, Cebuano, and etc. So other regional languages there too. Some of them might even speak or be bilingual with the Sama Bajau languages of, like Sinama, something like that, right? But anyway, it's spoken in Basilan Island, and despite it not being a Visayan language, the Sama Bajau people have a really good grasp with the Visayan languages and learning Visayan languages like Tausug and Cebuano. It is classified as a Sama Bajau language. So Sama Bajau meaning that it's a language that most of the Sea Gypsies, the Bajau people, speak, along with its close relative of the Sama language or Sinama language, right? The Sinama language. The Bajau people are just these nomadic Muslims, Sea Gypsies that roam around in the southern part of the Philippines, from Palawan all the way down to the Gulf of Davao, or the Davao Gulf, and even into Malaysia and Indonesia. It is a scheduled mother tongue based multilingual education language, meaning that this language, the Yakan language, is formally taught in schools and among young kids up to the grades of first from kindergarten to grade 3. So there is already a works in this scheduled language to be taught in schools, which is a really good thing. The interesting part about the Yakan language is that it doesn't have much influence from previous colonial languages that came to the Philippines. So minimal influence from colonial languages. So minimal influence from Spanish, from English, and from even Japanese and other languages that came into contact and control. Why? The simple answer is geography, because Yakan is regarded as a language that's spoken in the highlands of the island of Basilan. It's spoken in the upper highlands region versus the lowlanders, where you geographically find the Chabacanos, the Tausugs, people that just are migrants and immigrants to the island of Basilan. And of course, you have your interethnic tensions and peace times with the interethnic people too. So because of this, there has been some diglossia, or is it called diglossia or dysglossia? Diglossia, whatever, right? That, the language you speak defines who you are as a person and your socioeconomic status and your cultural economic status or sociocultural status. So sometimes there are interethnic tensions among the Tausugs or the Yakans and the Chabacanos and stuff like that, but for the most part, they're most relatively peaceful people that live all together, and they've learned to coexist, actually. So if anything, other countries in the world that have these cultural issues should probably take a look at Basilan Island and see how these multilingual, multicultural people of different ethnic backgrounds can live in a harmonious situation. So the world can learn a thing or two about this. But anyway, this is just an overview of the Yakan language.